Hello friends, it's Rick and Lisa's Kitchen and Garden. I just made this Delicata Squash with mozzarella cheese and walnuts. It's really good. The Delicata Squash is the best squash I've ever tasted of the winter squashes. It's just very, very delicious, very smooth and sweet. And here's how I made the combo. These are the delicata squashes we harvested in the fall. Now they all change the color into the nice yellow with orange stripes. It's so beautiful. It just looks nice to look at them. I'm going to take one to make dinner. The squash is cut open and washed. I'm going to steam the squash first. Now the squash is cooked. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes to get the squash steamed. Now I put on some mozzarella cheese and some walnuts. I'm going to air fry it. I air fry everything. We'll air fry it for a few minutes, let the cheese to melt, and it will taste just very good. Now the squash is cooked. It's the mozzarella cheese with delicata squash combo. Okay, now let's see how Rick thinks about this dish. Looks pretty good.
Yeah, it looks cooked enough. The cheese is melted. We've got walnut.
Yeah.
Nice and sweet.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. Good and chewy. I'd eat it again.
Really? Is it really yummy?
Yeah, it's pretty good. We should try different cheeses too.
Yeah?
Cheddar would be good. This is good.
Yeah? Do you think we should put some honey on it?
No, it's sweet enough. The delicata is it's like eating sweet potato.
Yeah.
It's good.
Okay.
You don't need any it's naturally sweet.
Okay.
It's perfect.
Okay.